some of the best Windows optimization tools that you can use for a variety of maintenance and cleaning tasks on your PC. On number 1, Advanced System Optimizer. To use Advanced System Optimizer, just download and install the software link given in the description below. It's available for almost all Windows versions. Launch the application and click on Start Smart PC Care to let the software scan for all the computer issues. Once your system lists out all the selected areas facing issues in terms of storage, protection, registry or drivers, click on the Optimize button to fix all the issues right away. You can even check out different modules for fixing registry issues, backup and recovery, disk cleaning, regular maintenance and much more. On number 2, AVG PC TuneUp. To use AVG TuneUp, just download and install the software. You can find the link in description. Once installed, launch the software. In the AVG PC TuneUp window, click on Maintenance, then click on Fix and Clean. And you're done. On number 3, Norton Utilities. Once installed, launch Norton Utilities software. In the Norton Utilities window, click on the Performance tab and select Optimize Windows. Use the slider to select your desired performance setup for Windows. And click on Apply. Isn't this simple? On number 4, Piriform CCleaner. Install and launch Piriform CCleaner software on your Windows computer. Once installed, open Piriform CCleaner in the windows that appears. Click on Custom Clean in the left pane and click on Run Cleaner, then click on Continue. Click on Yes and then click on Analyze. On number 5, Ashampoo Win Optimizer. Once installed, launch Ashampoo Win Optimizer software and in the window that appears, click on Analyze Now. Read the note here and click on OK. Wait for the process to get completed and that's all. So we hope you found these tools helpful, as these are definitely the best ones in the market. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe to Systweak for more such interesting videos.